Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the cover of a live photo to a different picture on the iPhone 13 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on the Photos app. Once you have opened up the Photos app, tap on the Library tab at the bottom. Now in here, select a photo that you would like to change. So for example, I'm going to tap on that one right there, and then tap on the edit button at the top. Next, tap on the live icon right next to the cancel button, and in here you can swipe across. Okay, so let's swipe across like this, and then choose make key photo. So tap on that and then tap on done, and now you can see on this photo right here, it now changes to a new photo as a keyframe. And that is how you can change it on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.